That's steel reinforced vinyl fencing. What is it, why do you need it, and how much will it cost? Whether you're aiming to boost privacy, improve security, or simply add a touch of elegance to your property, a professionally installed steel reinforced vinyl fence can transform your yard in a quick, elegant, and sturdy way, unlike any other fence can. So why do you need it? To speed up install time, keep things clean, and add longevity to your fence. The vinyl fencing is installed with galvanized steel posts as the core support inside the vinyl fence. You cannot see the steel posts from the outside, but on the inside they're a crucial component to the integrity of the fence. Mechanically driving the posts promotes timeliness, as our crew does not have to spend time digging holes or messing with concrete. We use a specific machine called the post driver that gives us the strength to drive the posts deep into the solid, undisturbed ground with no digging required. This is also where the cleanliness aspect comes into play. Using the post driver, there is no leftover dirt to be cleaned up in the yard, leaving your grass as nice as when we arrived. There's also no concrete to worry about. Concrete can leave a mess, and if it gets stuck to the fence or in other areas of your yard, it can be difficult to remove. The best part is that our steel reinforced vinyl fencing lasts longer. Other vinyl fences don't have a strong steel support in each post, so they're less sturdy in bad weather and against everyday wear and tear like wind and rain. Ours has the added security of stability and being steel reinforced, standing up to tough conditions and still looking good. At this point, you might be wondering, how much does a fence like this cost? Here's the great news. A steel reinforced vinyl fence does not cost substantially more than a standard concrete set vinyl fence. Due to savings in labor time, the material cost is often offset. This allows for our steel reinforced vinyl fencing to cost relatively the same amount as a concrete set vinyl fence. This makes it a no-brainer to have the steel reinforced vinyl fence be your installation choice. When deciding to invest in a fence, you want one that looks good, stays strong, and won't create headaches down the road. If you opt for a fence installed using the post driving method with steel reinforced posts, you are getting just that. For more information, contact Solid Structures at solidstructuresva.com.